Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I have a demo and a review of a new eyeshadow palette by Wanderess Beauty, and this is their Seascape Eyeshadow Palette, beach theme, so you know I'm already obsessed. Comes with a mirror, comes with 6 shades. I'm going to get to reviewing it and swatching it in a little bit. You could see I have one eye done and one eye not done. I'm going to go in with my demo first, just because I don't edit my videos and I do them straight through, so rather than you looking at me lopsided, let's fix this eye. So I already do have an eyeshadow primer on both of them, and it's also by Wanderess Beauty, and it is this Smooth Sailing 360 degrees eyeshadow primer. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow primer. Let me just show it to you real quick. When you take it like that, there's the doe foot applicator, flat. I love that it has skincare ingredients in it, so it's going to help your eye area. Use it all over the mobile lid, all over the brow bone, even under where you would put your concealer, and it's going to treat any fine lines, any wrinkles, any discoloration, and it helps any eyeshadow that you put on top of it, wander or not, look more vibrant, look more pigmented, and stay on all day, even in the humidity, which is fantastic. And also under my brow bone on both, I do have another like matte highlighter. That's just because there's not a shade like that in here, so I just did that off camera real quick. So I'm going to go in with this crease brush. This is an IT Cosmetics crease brush. I'm going to be using the 2 middle shades. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be. I'm not like a super professional influencer. I'm an everyday girl that loves makeup. Do what I can and try my best, so it is what it is. Going on with this shade over here called Sea Salt, which is a really pretty pink in the palette, and I'm just going to take the brush, tap it off, never blow. Let me get in so you guys could see. I'm just going to do windshield wiper back and forth in the crease, and my looks are all everyday, simple, quick. I don't go in with a whole bunch of colors at once usually 2 colors, 3 max. Not good at eyeliner, so I don't even bother doing like mobile lid eyeliner either, but I love pink shadows, and this is another absolutely gorgeous one from Wander. So go like that. I'm going to go with the same color. I'm going to go on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brush. I kind of just fan it out like this, and it's going to go back and forth a little bit, just to complete the eye. Okay, like so. So then on my lid, I'm going to go in with this color Seafoam. This is such a unique eyeshadow color. I have tons of eyeshadow palettes. I really do not think I have a single color like it. It's a gorgeous, like cool toned light green that's absolutely breathtaking, even prettier in real life. Going in with another IT Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. I think this is one of the IT for Ulta ones. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take that Seafoam, tap it in. I'm going to gently tap it on the lid. Now something about this palette is some of these colors, specifically this Seafoam, I do have to tap to get more product, which, I mean, that's fine. It's more buildable. It's not like super duper intense on first swipe, but you can build it up, which I really like. And like I said, this color is just amazing. Hopefully my hand is not in your way there, but I just take my time, go in and till it looks like the other side. And I am left-handed, which is why I do my left side on camera and I do my right side off. Bringing it all the way. My eyebrows need to be threaded. Once again, I feel like they just grow really fast. So, real life. I go once a month for the threading. I can't handle that pain more than that. So, okay, does that look even? Let's do a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just going to go back in with that crease brush to blend it a little. Then I take this brush, which I use to set my concealer. I did that prior, and I just go like this, just in case there's fallout. Actually, Wander's shadows are pretty good. I usually don't get fallout from them, maybe very, very little, but it's just a habit to go in. So yeah, so really quick and easy. So before I get to this, I do have 2 other products I want to shout out real quick. Wanderess Beauty's Mile High Club Mascara. Volume and lengthening mascara is what is on my eyelashes. I don't even have an eyelash primer on with this. Usually I will use a lash primer with mascaras just for extra oomph and volume and thickness. I don't even need it with this. Just this alone. People ask how many coats do I do. I really don't count coats. I just kind of go and I keep going and going until I get what I like. Kind of wiggle back and forth to declump it. This one actually really doesn't get clumpy, and I like that this tube, just like the Unlashed, their other mascara, like you can squeeze everything out of it, stays fresh for a little longer. I am almost due for a new tube though, because I did open this the end of February, so yeah, technically this has to get to us the end of this month, because for hygienic reasons and your eye health, you gotta replace your mascara every 3 to 4 months. But fantastic mascara. I have really sensitive eyes. It doesn't burn my eyes, lasts all day, doesn't smudge, doesn't flake. I like it a lot. On my lips, also by Wander Beauty. This is one of the Beach Bombs, and this is the color called Soul, which is a beautiful pink. Like so. So moisturizing. Nice shine. Treats the lip lines. You know, I love Wander. I love that all of the products are infused with skincare. So, just a couple things, and then I have the rest of my face done too. But back to Seascape. So beautiful. As you saw me apply, I love the shadows. They're buttery, they're pigmented, they blend together like a dream. When you wear them over eyeshadow primer, they tend to last all day. And I feel like they do really unique colors and really eye brightening colors. You can mix them. There have been days, and if you check out, I have a corresponding blog post with multiple looks. There were days I just did like one swipe on the lid to get out of the house and done. These are them. If you want to see like still photos and swatches with and without like a flash and stuff, check the blog post. Let me swatch them for you now. So this is Champagne Harbor, and this is this color up here, and this is just a beautiful champagne, really eye brightening when it's alone. Let me show you there. Hopefully you can see it. Another lighting in my room. I have a ring light, I have another light, I have the window open, and still not ideal. So always check the blog too. But that's Champagne Harbor. We have Sea Salt, which I mentioned, which is this absolutely beautiful shade of pink. Watch it go on. See, like that was one swipe, and that's not even with a primer under it. Like that's how pretty it is. This isn't gonna be neat, guys. My swatches are not the neatest. It has like almost like a light gold dual tone to them, which I'm obsessed with. Following year, we have this shade called Golden Reef here, and this is a really warm gold shade. I had this in my crease for one of the looks on my blog, I remember. So go like that. Again, so pigmented, it's so buttery. They don't cake, they don't crease, they're really a pleasure to use. I'm loving all of these like little Wander palettes. So that's the first row. Let me just wipe this on my towel over here. Okay. Fingers are clean enough. Should have brought like a wet towel in, didn't think. So, of the 6 shades, by the way, 6 of them, no, 5 of them are like shimmery, and then we have 1 matte. So going in with the matte Sand Dollar right here. It's like a matte tan shade, kind of reminds me of sand. Go in here, and this is good for the crease. You could use it on the lid too, and you could always shear it out. Next we have the Seafoam that I use on the lid, that I just can't say enough good things about this shade. I mean, look at that. And when you see it like in the sunlight too, it's just breathtaking. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that beautiful? And last but not least, we have this blue color. It's like a royal blue called Coastal, which I really like. I enjoy this in my crease. Like look at the pigment. So back here, where are we there? So those are the 6 shades. Again, if you want to see better swatches, check the blog. Easy to use. You don't need to be a professional to use them. I mean, I feel like if I could do looks with them, anybody can. Love the beautiful packaging. Looks like the beach, which is my happy place. I did wear like a beachy shirt. It kind of goes with the palette. I think it does at least. So hopefully you liked this little review and the quick demo I did. If you did, please thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I have plenty of other Wander Beauty videos if you want to check them out. I have done full face tutorials, 1 or 2 of them in the past, because honestly, their whole line, their makeup, their skincare, even their dry shampoo that they have are all quite fantastic. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you liked it. This is a final look. Check the blog for lots more, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.